Hey, second grade friends, we are going to learn a new spelling rule today. I want you to first echo these words and tell me what they all have in common. Repeat after me. Cat, keg, kin, cot, and cup. Very good. What do you hear that all of these have in common? What sound? K. Very good. K is the beginning of all of those words, and that can be represented by a K or a C. And today we're going to figure out how do you know which one it is. Oh no. Here we go. All right, here are the words, some of the words that I stated to you. Here is cat, keg, kin, and cot. What two letters represent the K sound at the beginning of these words? K and C. Very good. This is something new that we haven't talked about before. When we spell the K sound, we need to know the spelling rule that tells us which letter to use. We spell the K sound with the letter K when the sound is followed by the letters E, I, or Y. We spell the K sound with the letter C when the sound is followed by the letters A, O, U, or any other consonant. Let's take a look further. I'm going to repeat. How will you know which letter to use when spelling words with the K sound? You spell K with a K when it is followed by an E, I, or Y. The K is made with a K. The K sound is made with a C if it's followed by an A, O, U, or any other consonant. Let's practice. All right, friends, remember the K is when followed by an E, I, or a Y. A C when it's followed by A, O, and U, or any other consonant. If you remember the K is after when followed by E, I, or Y, you'll know that every other one is with the letter C. Here's an example. Cut. Cut, the K is represented by the C because it's followed by a U. I know to use a C for the K sound when it's followed by A, O, or U, or any other consonant. Here's another example. Here's the word kite. Kite has a K in the beginning position, followed by an I. That's how I know to use the K for the K in kite. Here's another example. In the word skill, sorry, so many pop-ups today, skill, the K sound is right in front of an I. It's followed by an I, so I know that skill uses the K because this I right here after the K. I'm sorry this is cut off a little bit, but this is actually a P down here. This is the word cop. Cop has a K sound followed by an O, ah, like octopus. Therefore, the O tells me that I need to use a C to represent the K sound in cop. Here's another example. Inside the word F-A-C-T, fact, the K sound is right before the T. The T follows the K sound. T is a consonant, so I know that fact, like tent, uses the C. Okay, I fumbled through that a little bit. Let me repeat. When you say fact, the K sound is followed by T, the consonant T. That's how I know the K sound is represented by a C. You use a C when it's following an A, O, or a U. All right, here's the word clock. Clock has a K in the beginning position followed by the consonant L. I know the K is represented by a C because the L is a consonant. Now we're going to go ahead. This is the end of this video. We are going to practice with video 3 and do our workbook pages.